Hey loves, welcome to my channel, or if you're already following me, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but life is unpredictable thing, and if you follow me on social media, you already know that I'm gonna be expecting a little baby boy in May, and we're trying to move out right now, so that's why I haven't been consistent on here. But here I am, we're trying to get back on the track. So today in this video, so excited to announce, but I'm gonna be reviewing my first PR package ever. Pixi Beauty sent this beautiful package to me. This is Rose Infused Skincare Routine, and I'm gonna be trying this today, all day, and we'll let you know how it works on my skin. This bag is so cute, and it's gonna be actually perfect for traveling, so I can put all my makeup stuff in there. I'm gonna open this and show you guys what's in there real quick. I already did a little preview on my story on Instagram, but if you didn't see it, I'm just gonna do it one more time. So what we got here, real quick, makeup melting cleansing clothes right here. Then we got this rose oil blend with rose and pomegranate oils. Ba-boom. Next we got Rose Caviar Essence Moisture Serum right here. Then I have Rose Flush Balm Instant Skin Booster. Then we got Rose Glow Mist with 7 flower oils. I'm excited for this. We got Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green tea. Sounds so healthy. Then we got a rose cream cleanser with rose and chamomile flower. Then we got a rose caramide cream with rose and caramides or caramides. You tell me how you pronounce. We got a rose tonic with rose and elder flower. It's a toner right here. Since I don't have makeup on, we just woke up like this. So we're gonna be trying all of these products today. Let's get started. So I'm gonna be starting with this rose cream cleanser right here. Soothing gentle cleanser, nourishing cream cleanser with mineral rich mud, cleanses skin as it helps strengthen and soften. Rose and avocado conditions. Chamomile and aloe vera soothes for all skin types, including very sensitive skins, and you can use it morning and night, so that's why I'm going to be starting with this. Gotta open it first. Girl, it smells good. I love smelling everything. It actually dries really fast. Yeah, it smells so good. I'm just gonna go real quick and wash it off, and I'll be right back. So I just went ahead and washed my face. If you touch the skin, it feels so clean. I don't feel no oil or anything on it. So I just put my hair up to make it a little bit more comfortable and to get all the excess to my face. Excess? Did I say excess? No, excess. Next, I'm going to be toning my face with this rose tonic. It says it's naturally soothing and rich in nutrients. This tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimize redness, and calm skin. It rehydrates, replenishes, and refreshes. Suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Alcohol-free, use in the mornings and PM after cleansing, and that's what we're doing right now. I don't have no cotton discs on me, so I'm just going to apply it. Pour it on my hands and just tap it to my face. Oh my god, it smells so good. I just smell like roses. So next I'm going to be using a Rose Caviar Essence with rose and grape seed oil. It says it's encapsulated flower oils suspended in this weightless serum essence, melts onto the skin, delivering fresh botanicals to hydrate and restore skin's brightness for optimum radiance. Formulated with antioxidant-rich natural oils, this formula will soften, refine, and tone for all skin types. That looks pretty. I love it. Looks cute. Let's put it on our face. So now that it all absorbs absorb into my skin, I'm going to be using Rose Flash Balm with rose and olive extract. This radiance boosting balm is the ultimate pick-me-up for tired, lackluster skin, helping with the signs of fatigue and a flash. This is 3-in-1, oil-free, quick-absorbing formula, instantly moisturizes and brightens, and is great as a revitalizing mask as well as a primer to prep skin for perfect makeup application. So you can even use this product as a primer. To use it as a treatment primer, you can apply a thin layer to face and neck after cleansing. Do not rub. Follow with foundation if desired. To use as a mask, apply a thick layer and leave in for 5 minutes 2-3 times a week. So right now we're going to be doing a thin layer because we're going to be doing makeup. So it's a very thick formula. Next, I'm going to be using Rose Oil Blend with rose and pomegranate oil. A powerful youth preservative, this Lux Oil Blend is a rich source of botanical extracts of vitamin E, helping to protect, nourish, and strengthen. Skin is rejuvenated and elasticity is improved, resulting in healthy, plump, and luminous skin.
Mom, this is for you.
Thank you, baby. Got a gift over here. For extra hydration and glow, add 1 or 2 drops to your moisturizer before applying. We're gonna get 3 drops. Babe, will you push play for Peppa Pig, please?
Yeah, love you.
Love you, boo-boo. Oh, it smells good. Next, I'm gonna be using Rose Glow Mist with 7 flower oils. This dual face elixir is packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, leaving skin with a natural glow. It helps to moisturize skin, improve elasticity, and provide free radical protection. Before makeup, it helps to calm, create moisture barrier, and smooth. After makeup, it sets, adds a natural dewy finish. Anytime, it helps to moisturize, refresh, and plump. So that's what my skin looks like on outside lighting. Nice, moisturized, nourished, glowing, and primed. We're going to be doing makeup and I'll be right back with next products after that. Hey guys, I just did my makeup and I'm back. So to finish up the makeup, I'm going to be using a Rose Glow Mist for extra glow. And to fix my makeup, I'm going to be using this makeup fixing mist with rose water and green tea. This is a lover setting mist, prolongs makeup wear and keeps from moving, melting, or settling into fine lines or pores. Comforts, protects, increases hydrations, and balances skin for a fresh face. So after makeup, we're going to set it up and add a soft focus finish. So we'll see how that works. So this is my finished makeup look right here. Let's take a look at the skin. I didn't prime my face with any other brand because we already primed it with Pixi Beauty products. My skin feels nice, soft. It was very easy application. As for foundation, I didn't have to wet my brush to get intense highlight because my skin was already moisturized and hydrating, that it gave me very easy application. So I'm very happy with the result. I'm very happy with the products so far. I don't have no complaints. My face feels clean, fresh, hydrated. So we'll see what happens in a couple hours, and I'm also going to continue this video with the nighttime routine, so stay with me. What's up, you guys? It's a night time already. We just ate dinner, took a shower, and now it's time to get unready. What can I tell about the skincare so far? I enjoy my skin. It's still glowing nice. My lipstick, my eyeshadows are on. Ignore my under eye circles. I did not put concealer today. I just used foundation. But otherwise, everything looking nice so far. My skin does not feel dry. Feels nice. And right now, we're going to be doing a nighttime routine. So to take my makeup off, I'm going to be using this makeup melting cleansing cloth with chamomile and rose. They look like this. Such a cute packaging. So this cleansing cloth gently and efficiently remove all traces of makeup, even the most stubborn waterproof formulas. It's infused with soothing and hydrating botanical extracts. These make skin feel perfectly clean and balanced after each use. So here's a little of the power of makeup look for you. Worked perfectly fine. And it feels like nice and hydrated right after I took the makeup off. So I'm just gonna finish the right part of my face and we're gonna be doing nighttime routine. So here I am in my natural skin and I'll tell you it feels really good. After wiping my skin, if I'm gonna touch it, you literally don't feel no product. It just feels so clean. It does feel like there's nothing on it. So I really like that. My skin does feel hydrated after these wipes. And also I want to mention something. Usually I have trouble with makeup wipes. They burn my eyes. I literally rubbed these wipes all over my eyes and it didn't burn a bit. So that's a really good thing. Nighttime routine, I'm going to be starting with Rose Cream Cleanser, which we used in the morning. I just want to make sure we deep clean our skin before night. So I'm just going to let it absorb a little bit, wash with some water, and be right back. Next up, we're going to be toning our face with this Rose tonic. Next, I'm going to be using this Rose Caviar Essence to soften and refine our skin. And now that our skin is all cleansed and toned, we're going to protect, nourish, and strengthen it with Rose Oil Blend. And this is going to be it for the nighttime routine. It feels so nice and gentle. I love this so much. It smells so good. First, I'm just going to spread it very gently on my face and then just tap it in. So this is it. If there's any changes in the morning, I will keep you posted on my Instagram. If you don't follow me yet, it's Mila Blends. Go ahead and follow me. I'm gonna update you guys on how it goes. But so far, I had a great day, a great skincare routine. Ain't gonna lie, I never had a skincare routine. It was my first time fully doing it. I can't complain about anything. My makeup was lasting all day. My skin is breathing. It feels good. My skin smells good, literally like essential oils or something. I just feel how my skin is nourished, fresh, and hydrated, and I love it so much. I want to thank Pixi Beauty so much for sending me this beautiful package, and I can't wait for you to see my review. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day and watching this video and sticking with me. It was very fun. I hope it was helpful to any of you guys. If you haven't tried it yet, I definitely recommend to try this routine. If you're new to my channel and want to watch more videos from me, please subscribe, give me a like to let me know that I'm doing a good job and I'm helpful to you guys. And don't forget to click the bell icon just to get notifications from me every time I post a video. Please let me know down below if you use any of these products that I've used today and what do you think about them, and let me know what would you like to see next video. I hope you guys have a great day or night, and I'll see you guys next time.